Real quick, let me get this out of the way. Are there any Canadians in here? USA, USA. We own you in hockey, suck my dick. Sorry, buddy. Now, how many people out here have seen Prevail before? Hell yeah. How many people, is this your first time at Prevail? How many people are like, shut the fuck up, hurry up, I'm trying to see 3 Days Grace? Be honest, be honest. Well, regardless, at an Prevail show, I like to think that we're all friends. What the fuck, where did that come from? What the fuck out here? Like I was saying, at an Prevail show, I like to think that we're all best friends. We're all new friends here. And you know what? You know what friends do? They finish each other's words.
Woo!
No.
Sandwiches.
No, that's not what I was going for. Best friends finish each other's
off. They finish each other off.
What the fuck, dude?
Yeah.
No, don't cheer for that, you horny motherfuckers. What the fuck? This is getting away from me. Dude, we gotta get back on the same page here. Let's do a little word association.
Okay.
Let me see. If I say French, you would say
revolution.
Okay. If I say peanut butter, you would say
dog stuff.
What the absolute fuck? How am I sharing a stage with you? Stay over there. Listen, I think my new best friends are gonna do a hell of a lot better than whatever the fuck that was. Listen, are you ready?
Yeah!
If I say violent, you would say
Nature!
when I say violent, you would say
Nature!
violent!
Nature!
Violent!
Nature! Nature!
Show me what the fuck you got. Motherfucker with a Yeah, you made me proud, Michigan.